Today, we are going to check out the top 5 best hiking shoes for women available on the market. We made this list quality, price, user experience, testing, and based on customer reviews. If you want to see more information on the updated price on the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So let's get started. Number 1. Columbia Women's Waterproof Hiking Shoe. Columbia has consistently built some of the most exciting and reliable men's hiking boots on the market. Our top pick, the Columbia Newton Ridge Waterproof Hiking Shoe, is a classic hiking boot that promises a comfortable, lightweight feel and impressive durability. The boot is crafted from a combination of leather, suede, and mesh, and since it's waterproof, you won't have to worry about getting caught in the rain. The boot's all-terrain rubber outsole is textured for traction, helping you confidently navigate a range of trails during different times of the year. And since the interior of the boot is lined with ample cushioning, it promises to keep you comfortable on even your longest hikes. They come in sizes 5 to 12 and have standard and wide widths to accommodate a variety of feet. You can also choose between 6 different color options to match the shoes to your wardrobe. Number 2. Merrell Womens Mae Hiking Shoe. Merrell steps up and offers all of those without $200 to spend on a hiking shoe the chance to get into the game. The Merrell Mae 2 Waterproof Hiking Shoe is a classic low-cut hiking shoe that's designed for durability and cushion for comfort. The shoe's suede upper promises to protect your feet, while ample mesh panels keep them cool and comfortable. And since the shoe is waterproof, you can rest assured knowing your feet will stay dry even on rainy days. What really sets the shoe apart, though, is all the comfortable features it boasts. The shoe's EVA foam footbed is countered to support your arches and your heels. Its heel comes equipped with Merrell air cushioning, which promises to absorb shock and keep you stable. And its bellow tongue promises a snug fit that will help you keep debris out. Number 3. Albas Southwest Hiking Shoe. For ages, the Albas has been a staple of the hiking and climbing community. The Albas Southwest Roman 2B Dry Hiking Shoe is a durable hiking shoe that's ventilated to keep you comfortable on long, hot treks. The shoe boasts a durable leather upper, which is lined with breathable, moisture-wicking mesh panels to keep your feet cool and comfortable as you hike. What's nice? Despite its breathability, the shoe still manages to be waterproof, and it boasts a number of durable, protective features like toe caps, heel counters, and high-friction outsoles that you might expect to find in a heavier, bulkier shoe. There's no denying feet sweat, and trails can get muddy. There's also no denying the ability of our proprietary waterproofing system. Be dry, let sweat escape while keeping moisture out. Number 4. Salomon Women's Outline Gore-Tex. The Salomon is designed with the avid hiker and trail runner in mind. The Salomon Outline GTX hiking shoe boasts the feel of a running shoe combined with the durability of a hiking shoe. This makes the shoe a particularly great pick for beginners who may find traditional hiking shoes heavy or bulky. The lightweight hiking shoe is waterproof, so it promises to keep your feet dry no matter what the weather is doing. And its shock-absorbing footbed will keep your feet feeling supported. The shoe comes equipped with protective toe caps, which will help you comfortably navigate a range of terrain. And its textured outsole will give you all the grip you need to confidently tackle trails. It provides 5mm deep lugs on the outsole, protective toe cap, and a full Gore-Tex membrane offer all the outdoor adventure protection you need. Number 5. Keen Women's Targi 3 Hiking Shoe Boot. The Keen Targi is perfect for people that have wide feet. These shoes have excellent support and are incredibly durable. They do cost more than some of the other shoes on the list, and they don't have the best traction. The ventilation isn't that great, so if you mainly hike in a desert climate, these shoes might not be for you. The bulk of the shoe is crafted from a breathable, waterproof textile, and the shoe comes equipped with mud shields designed to further protect your feet and to help your hiking shoes last as long as possible. The shoe's all-terrain rubber outsole promises plenty of traction, and its dual-density EVA foam promises to cushion your stride every time you take a step. Environmentally preferred leather that uses less chemicals, eco-anti-odor technology that naturally breaks down odor, PFC-free water repellent treatment. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and check out the description to find the product links.